Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can deposit money from Tonkeeper onto Kucoin. So on the Kucoin website here, once you're on the overview, you can click on this, deposit, and then just select deposit crypto. And I haven't been verified yet, so I can't show you here, but basically it look like this. You can select a coin, in this case it'll be USDT. You can select a network, it'll be Tron, and then this is the address. You're going to copy that. Now, if we head over onto Tonkeeper here, the thing you want to do is press send, or you click on one of the coins first and then press send. I'm going to click on USD. I'm going to send, and then I'm going to copy and paste the address from the deposit details here onto here. You can add a comment too if you want, but after you have copy and pasted the address here, just click on continue, and then your coins will be deposited.